Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ghasia Ibrahim with third presentation of Biology class 7th. Chapter is Nutrition in Plants. Now the symbiotic plants. When two different plants live together to support each other, they are called symbiotic plants. One of the example of symbiotic plant is lichen. It is a combination of algae and fungus. Algae provide synthesized food to fungus, and fungus supply water and minerals to algae. Another example is rhizobium bacteria, which live in the roots of leguminous plants. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable form, which is used by the plants. In return, these bacteria get food and shelter from those plants. Now, nutrient replenishment in the soil. Replenishment means to renew. As you know, living organisms require different nutrients to carry out their life processes. Plants also need some nutrients in large amount. These major nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Plant needs some other nutrients in small quantities. They are iron, copper, manganese, and zinc. All these are mineral elements and are present in soil. When soil is watered, these get dissolved and plant absorb it through their root hair and send it to leaves for preparing food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis. Sometimes soil loses its nutrient due to some reasons. They are number 1, soil erosion. What is soil erosion? When upper layer of soil is displaced or removed due to snow, air, or heavy rainfall, it is called soil erosion. Due to this, important nutrients are removed from the soil and soil become infertile. That means it is not be able to grow crops. To maintain the fertility of the soil, nutrients must be added to the soil. Nutrient can be added to the soil by using different methods. Some of them are number 1, addition of manure and fertilizers. What are manure? Manure are decayed matter of animals and plant waste. It is rich in essential nutrients. It is added to the soil to increase its fertility. Fertilizers are chemical compounds. They are rich in particular nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Urea, superphosphate, and potassium are some other fertilizers which are added to the field and gardens to increase soil fertility. Growing leguminous crops. As you know, nitrogen is an important element required by the plant. Some bacteria, for example, rhizobium bacteria, convert atmospheric nitrogen to soluble form to be used by the plant. These bacteria lives in the roots of gram, mung, peas, and beans. Crop rotation. Farmers grow different types of crops alternatively to save the productive capacity of the soil. It is called crop rotation. When same type of crops are grown again and again, same type of nutrient are used up by the plants, so different types of crops should be grown to provide different nutrients in the soil.